Konnichiwa, hello, my name is Miki and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this guy right here. This is the Target beauty box. Now, Target sells these beauty boxes full of trial size products. They sometimes include skincare, beauty, all kinds of different stuff. Now, finally, Target came out with a natural beauty box. I used to buy a lot of beauty boxes. I used to buy the Walmart beauty box. I used to buy the Target beauty box. But one thing that they didn't offer was cruelty-free, vegan, natural type of products in these boxes. So Target actually came out with a natural box, meaning all the products in here are natural, they're cruelty-free, some of them are even vegan. So that is what drew me in to buy this box. So if you guys are interested to see what is in this beauty box, then just stay tuned. So because we're doing a natural box today, I decided to do a natural look, or what I like to call YouTube natural, because I feel like the natural looks on YouTube never really look actually natural. So I kind of did a natural full face, if that makes any sense. Anyways, let's jump into the box. So Target beauty box is basically a box full of trial size products. It can have skincare, body care, cosmetics, all kinds of different stuff. And it's $7. So for $7 in this box, you get 7 different items and everything is natural in this box, which I'm really excited about. I actually used to purchase the Walmart beauty box, which comes out every season, so you get 4 a year, but just because not all the products in the box were cruelty free, I canceled my subscription. So I'm really happy that Target got on this and decided to do a all natural box, because even the box, look at the box, it even looks like a recycled box that they use. And this basically just comes in your mailbox. It's small enough to fit in there. It does take like 1.5 weeks to get to you. I don't know why it takes longer than other things since these are already curated boxes, but it takes a little bit longer. Now, one thing great about this is if you do have the Target Red Card, you don't have to pay any shipping when you order this. Another thing that Target is doing is that they are selling these boxes in stores. Before, you could only get them online, and now you can go in the store and purchase them if they have them available. Once these boxes are sold out, that is it. You have to wait for the next box, which obviously is not going to have the same items in them. So any box that I've ever opened, any kind of beauty box I've opened, has always come with a pamphlet just like this. It explains on the back what the items are, and it always comes with some kind of coupon. Now this is a $3 off beauty purchase of $15 or more coupon. So I spend $15, I get $3 off with the coupon. So first we have the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask. Now this has tamarind extract and tea tree oil. Now I absolutely love tea tree oil. I still use it, and tea tree oil is so great if you have acne or, you know, small blemishes here and there. You just dot a little bit of tea tree oil and you're on your way. Anyone who has used African Black Soap, I have heard, is like the greatest thing ever for your skin, especially if you have acne. I have heard such great things about it, and I did try African Black Soap once, but it just wasn't for my skin, for my body. On my face, it worked wonders. So I can only imagine what this mask is going to do, especially if you have a few breakouts here and there. So I can't wait to try this. All right, so next up, we have this guy right here. Now, I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's Willetta or Willita. This is the Willetta Skin Food, and it is a moisturizer formulated with wholesome plant oils and extracts. Takes extra care of stubborn dryness so skin looks soft and feels supple. Now, in this pamphlet, it comes with a few little things like tips and hints. Now, for this one, it says great for elbows, hands, and feet. So I'm guessing that this is kind of like a lotion. Now, for me, I've heard of this brand, Willita, back home in Japan. It kind of blew up before I left, and now I'm seeing it creep into American stores. And I know that this stuff is not cheap. I believe this stuff is from Germany. I'm not really sure. It says it's made in Germany, but it could really be from anywhere, but I believe it is from Germany. I honestly can't wait to try this because I've never tried anything from their brand, but I know that they're pretty, I wouldn't say they're really pricey, but they're kind of on the higher end of drugstore, if you know what I mean. So this comes in one of those metal tin type of tubes that you can like kind of manipulate. And I'm gonna open this up real quick and see what we got here. This is a very thick, oily kind of cream. Not sure if I'm into that. It is very thick to the touch, but it has kind of a weird cooling sensation to it. Ooh, I love that smell. Now, I can't really quite put my finger on the smell. I want to say it's lavender mixed with, I don't know, lavender mixed with something, but it smells amazing. And I can say that it has fully absorbed into the back of my hand. So it is a little bit greasy. It is very thick. So I think this is one of those things that you might want to put on before you go to bed so you don't have to deal with the goopiness. So next we have this guy right here from Nourish Organic. This is face lotion. It says organic ingredients and nourishing vitamins improve skin's elasticity, revealing a healthier, younger looking complexion. Now, I've never heard of Nourish Organic, but I'm already liking this just because there's a picture of a rose on it. And it says argan and rose water. It is a normal to dry skin lightweight moisturizing lotion. So I am actually normal to dry skin right now, so I'm kind of excited to try this. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Now, this doesn't look very thick. I mean, I would hope it's not because it says lightweight moisturizer on it. Oh my goodness, the smell. Oh, it smells so good. It does say it has argan and rose water in it, and which is probably why I love the smell, because I smell roses. I am really excited to try this because it has already absorbed into the back of my hand. There is no stickiness, there's no tackiness, there's no greasy residue left over. I am in dire need of a lightweight moisturizer for my face, and I feel like I can grow to love this. Hopefully this stuff doesn't make me break out, but I'm really excited to try this stuff. It smells so good. The next product we have here is Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Deodorants. Plant-based powders naturally and effectively neutralize odor and wetness without leaving a greasy or sticky residue. Now, I have been slowly trying to convert to natural deodorant, but it has been so hard because I am a sour, stinky mess. I know that sounds gross, but it's something that your body just naturally does. Now, in regular deodorant, there is a lot of aluminum, which actually keeps you from sweating, so you don't have that wetness. Now, what that aluminum does is it seeps into your pores and it just stays in there, and your body just kind of collects the aluminum over time. And so when you stop using aluminum-filled deodorant, you have this sour, pungent smell that is just out of this world. It's actually your body detoxing all the antiperspirant that you've been putting in your body over the years, and it's just a different kind of smell. If you have used natural deodorants, you know that you do have to do a detox for at least like 1 or 2 weeks to get all the aluminum out of your system, and then you can start using natural deodorant. Now, with natural deodorant, well, for this one particularly, it says there's no aluminum, propylene, glycol, parabens, phthalates, or artificial fragrance. This is certified vegan and cruelty-free. Ooh, I really like the smell of this. Now, I honestly do not like the smell of vanilla type things. I don't like vanilla type shampoos or body lotions or anything like that. I'm just not a vanilla-y type of person. And this actually smells like roses with a hint of vanilla. So I can actually still stand this smell. And I think it just smells so fresh and feminine. And I honestly can't wait to use this. I have been trying to use different natural deodorants, but I haven't found one yet that actually guards my smell. I know that sounds bad because maybe I'm just a naturally stinky person, but I have already detoxed my body of the aluminum deodorant, and I have noticed that I sweat a lot more, as in like it's very watery. I can feel my pits be wet. I'm sorry if it's TMI, but it's something that our bodies just naturally do. Honestly, I can't wait to try this because I've tried some and a lot of them have been misses for me. I have been going out having to reapply a lot of these deodorants because they're just no good. So hopefully this will be the winner. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Next, we have this cute little guy right here. This is from Method. This is the Experiential Simply Nourished Body Wash. This is a rich blend of coconut, rice milk, and shea butter. Leaves skin soft, smooth, and smelling like comfort. I've seen Method products for hand wash and laundry detergent and dishwashing soap and all that other good stuff, but I have never seen Method for body, like body wash, like this guy right here. I'm really interested in this because I really like their detergent and I enjoy their hand washes. So I'm kind of interested in this. Now, I'm not a very big fan of coconut just because I feel like coconut is put into everything. Everything just smells the same now to me. Everything just smells super coconutty. But this does have rice milk and shea butter, so oh yeah, it definitely smells a lot like coconut, but that shea butter just kind of makes it smell a little bit more almondy than just straight up coconut oil, so I can dig this smell. This is a really nice smell, and I feel like it's that nourishing, moisturizing smell. I know that doesn't really make sense, but a lot of the times when you're smelling something that's moisturizing, they all kind of tend to have some kind of similar scent. At least that's my experience. I have to say it does smell pretty good, and I think I can grow to like this. So hopefully this is good for my dry AF skin. So last but not least, we have these Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water shampoo and conditioner. This is supposed to be Volume and Bounty shampoo and conditioner, so to get volume for your hair. I really wish in beauty boxes they wouldn't put things like volume or frizz control, because not everybody has one or the other. Like me, I am someone who battles frizz. This straight, sleek hair that you see today was not easily attainable. I have to do a process just to get my hair this straight because I am naturally frizzy and volumey and I hate it, especially when there's humidity. Ugh, I look like Afrojack. This I'm not really too thrilled about just because it is for volume, but I love a good smelling shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna have to do the smell test. Oh my goodness. This thing smells like ocean. I don't know, it just smells fresh and clean, and I don't know what it is. It doesn't smell super coconutty, which I like because it does say coconut water and mimosa flower. I have no idea what a mimosa flower is, but I can say that when I smell this, it just smells like pure cleanliness. This is what I want my hair to smell like. Now, there is something that I just noticed on this that I'm a little bit upset about. I did not know that Love Beauty and Planet was from Unilever. Now, Unilever, whatever you want to call it, is a very big brand of non-cruelty free items. Unilever definitely tests on animals. All their products are, I don't believe I know any of their products that are cruelty free or vegan. It does say that it's vegan and not tested on animals, and that this bottle is 100% recycled plastic, but this to me is very misleading because it is made by Unilever, and to me, that is a big no-no brand. That is one of the brands that I stay away from, that I purchase from. So I can honestly say right now, right off the bat, I probably will not be purchasing the full size of this because it is by Unilever. I mean, I love the direction that they're going, that Unilever is going, because they're trying to make their products cruelty-free and vegan. I just wish that they would do this for all their other products, but they're still a little bit behind. And this is just one product that I've seen so far from them that is 100% cruelty-free and vegan. And to me, that still doesn't make me want to go out and buy it. So I'm kind of glad that I saw the Unilever label on there. Now, my take for brands that aren't cruelty free but are trying to get there, I applaud them because they're going in the right direction. And I feel like if you are going to purchase anything from that brand or that company, it should be products like this that are vegan, that are cruelty free, because then it lets them know, it lets the big guns upstairs know that people prefer vegan and cruelty free products over the animal tested products. This product itself may be cruelty free, but the brand that put this out is not from a cruelty free brand, so I'm not exactly sure how I feel about that. So I have to say, as much as I would love to say nice things about this, I will probably be using it and be done with it. So that is all the items that were in the box. To me, this is a really, really great value. It's $7 and you can try all these things. If you like them, then you can go buy the full size. If not, you don't ever have to think twice about it again. You just throw it away and move on with your life. And that is it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that big red button that says subscribe. If you have any tips, tricks, questions, comments, or if you simply just want to talk shit, leave it all in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!